Simple life lessons from Lao Tzu.
Keep things simple. Being simple is smart. Don't complicate life too much.
Let go of wanting stuff. When you stop wanting things too much, you feel happier and more free.
Patient nature doesn't rush, but everything gets done. It means being patient helps things work out.
Go with the flow. It's better not to plan everything too much. Just go with what happens. Accept changes. Life always changes. It's better to accept changes instead of fighting against them.
Kind. Being nice to others makes you feel good. It's good to be kind with words and actions.
Lead by doing. The best leaders don't brag about what they do. They just do good things and let others follow.
Strong inside. Real strength comes from knowing yourself and controlling your own actions.
Enjoy quiet time. Being quiet and still sometimes helps you feel better and think clearer.
Trust life. It's okay to not know everything. Sometimes you just have to trust that things will work out in the end.